Whenever we are studying organic compound, we are generally reading its intro, then its a naming, structure, and how they can be prepared from other organic compounds, and then its physical property, chemical properties, and at the last we are studying then where they are used. Now, here we are talking about the topic ether, which is a subtopic from the unit alcohol phenol ethers, Unit 7, Class 12th Chemistry. So let's see a quick recap of the topic ether. So ether जो है that is the एक organic compound है which are least reactive, or we can say it's mostly inert due to the presence of a bulky group around the oxygen. Ethers मैंने ऑलरेडी ईथर्स के बारे में सारा जो प्रिपरेशन है या जो भी ये टॉपिक्स है सब अपनी वीडियो लेक्चर जो पोस्ट किए हैं. इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, जस्ट सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर ऑल द न्यू नोटिफिकेशंस. सो ईथर्स यहाँ पे they are having a general formula ROR. These R can be same, can be different, so we are just marking with the apostrophe, or AROR. Ethers can be written like that. अगर मैं इनके जो बात करूं स्ट्रक्चर की, so it is just a band in shape. स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है, that is the band due to the presence of lone pair on the oxygen, and the angle is 111.7. The structure is look like a tetrahedral because of the presence of 4 electron pairs, 2 lone pair of electrons and a 2 are a bond pair. Here the length between O and C is 141 picometer. ये structure हो गया, and it is a polar in nature. यहाँ पे पोलैरिटी होती है, पोलर इन नेचर. देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट्स नेमिंग. अगर हमें इनका नेम करना है, फॉर नेमिंग अगर कॉमन नेम लेना है, so we are making for common name we are taking alphabetic order. जैसे यहाँ पे ROR है, तो alphabetically which will come first, we are just writing alkyl ether. For example, अगर यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे लिखा हुआ है O and C2H5, तो ये मिथाइल है, इथाइल है. Alphabetically E is coming first as M, so we will write ethyl, methyl, and we will adding a suffix ether for the common name. But for the IPIC name, we are writing alkoxy alkane. और जो एल्केन है दैट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन, और जो एल्कोक्सी है दैट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट चेन. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं इसी में से बात करूं तो नाम हो जाएगा मिथॉक्सी इथेन. इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज द मिथॉक्सी ethane. So here the journal intro, these are the organic compounds which are mostly inert in nature, having a both side alkyl, aryl or alkyl group. They can be same, they can be mixed, and then the structure is there, naming is there. Now we are on the preparation. So we are preparing these ethers by dehydration of alcohols, and mostly we are taking the primary alcohols. If we are taking secondary and tertiary, then elimination reaction competes over the substitution, and here the reaction mechanism is SN2. The second method is Williamson synthesis, where we are taking alkyl halide plus sodium alkoxide. So these methods are used for the preparation of the ethers. Here the alkyl halide should be primary and the sodium alkoxide should be secondary or tertiary. If we are taking other way around, again the elimination reaction competes off over the substitution. And now we will see about its physical properties. Let me mark कि हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay, and now we will talk about the physical properties. So physical property में जो ethers हैं, they are generally having a high boiling point. They are having a high boiling point. And they are forming, means the lower members are soluble in water due to the, why they are soluble? Due to the formation of hydrogen bonding. And if we will talk about the chemical properties, so ethers can give us chemical property due to the first cleavage of CO bond or break of CO bond. And here जो CO bond से अगर break होता है, so we will get the alkyl halide plus water. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अगर सिंपल है और अगर मिक्स्ड है देन वी आर गेटिंग अल्काइल हैलाइड एंड अल्कोहल. एंड इफ वी आर टेकिंग एक्सेस ऑफ, यहाँ पे हम वी विल टेक एक्सेस ऑफ द reagent, then we will get the alkyl halide and water. Then the second reaction is, that is electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution, where we can study about the halogenation. We will get the two product, ortho and para, or we can have a Friedel-Crafts reaction in the presence of AlCl3, which is known as Lewis acid and Friedel-Crafts reagent. We can add here alkyl or acyl group to the ether, and you can find my videos on this topic. You can easily get this one. What I'm saying, it is just a quick recap what we read for the ethers. And the last one is nitration, which we will do in the presence of concentrated nitric acid along with the concentrated H2SO4. तो जो Friedel-Crafts reagent है, that is the anhydrous AlCl3, and for halogenation we will take the halogen in the presence of ethanoic acid. Just subscribe my channel so that you can get the all notification, because what I wrote here, I already posted all the videos on this topic. Still, if you have a doubt, just give me a comment in my comment box.